Look at this dump. Okay, now I took a screenshot before I left the house at 595 and I put in a short on Bing X. Two of them. Oh my God, look at this. How epic is that? I went downstairs to my car. Okay, 45% and 37%. What are the fees here? $80 and $100. We are going to make $14.60. Let's go ahead and grab one of these. This was awesome to catch. This must have been, hold on, get ready. We're going to close these individually, people. We caught this drop. Let's close the 43%. Let's close the 35%er now. Right there. This is called War on the 1 minute chart. We caught the most epic dump. Now we wait in ambush. So the move here in War on the 1 minute chart is to let them now buy the dip. So what we're going to do is take a screenshot of the price. There's a link below for BingX. It's one of my favorite exchanges. You know what happened today and yesterday? The price is pumped over 26,000, and well, honestly, it was over nothing. It was foo-foo talk of FTX once again, and it was actually to disguise what's going on with FTX. What it really was, and I hate to say it, was they used ETF talk to pump the price again because FTX is getting ready to unload on retail. So they wanted the price to be as high as possible. Have you not read the news? I was just explaining to people in my private paid Discord elite group how I will set up now. I will wait for them to buy the dip and attack again. We got lots of new Smurfs in here, so we make them Smurfs. Here we are. Smurf. Welcome to the Ultra Elite Smurf. Let's get back to BingX. So we have a screenshot of the price at 534. We are now at 510. We must let them buy dip. We refuse to short the bottom. Guys, you have to realize what just happened. We just caught, look, I had screenshots. Everything was nicey nice. La-di-da. And I left the house for maybe 30 minutes. And then, boom, the bottom fell out. I put my trade in. I was waiting. I was looking at other things. I was looking at the perp. Okay, I was looking, then I decided to go with the highest leverage possible. Looked at Bitcoin, took the setup, and quick $1,400, whatever it is, $1,300 after fees, but 45% and 37%. Exit the trade, okay, and we will look to do it again. So let's look at that price, 534 or 511. Let's go to the 1 minute. I don't make decisions based on the 1 minute. Look at the 3 minute. What we want to do here is look at the patterns. General momentum is down. In recent minute look backs, their biggest move was about 7 3-minute candles. I would call this a local bottom. I am not going to re-enter here. And what I like to do, a little pro tip for you, is I divide my trade into two parts. Okay. One is I could get a better entry. Okay. Yes, I use market, cross margin. Okay. Trigger is if you want to do a set price, you can wait there for the price to come to you and your balls to turn blue and all kinds of things to happen. Or you could just swoop in like we do. There's links below for my private consultation Discord. I'm watching this price right here, 26.21. I really, let's look back at the price, 595, 595. So, you know, it was roughly a $100 drop I caught. And if you think about it, a $100 drop at 100x yielded me some fantastic results here. Look, 125, I wouldn't do that. Okay, but this was my total trade amount was going to be about 4,000. So I decided to do it like this. And it looks like, if you look at it, look at this, $800 net and 658. So that means that more money was made at the higher leverage, even though they were both put in at the same time. Okay, Normally I don't do 125x, but that is something to notice. Forget the percentage. Look at the dollar amount. Okay, that is huge. We may dictate this whole video, title it based on that, best leverage. So you can see a comparison here side by side. I'd like to be able to do it again if I could catch a re-entry, but look, it only goes up and down. Look, if you were jumping off a cliff and you wanted to jump off the highest cliff because you were going to get paid as you fell per foot, where would you want to jump? From up here or down here? Duh. That's what I say. So I'm going to wait, and we're going to use this as an example, unless they buy some dip. Okay, we're going to use this as an example of leverage. Okay, look at this. So 125x, as long as you use appropriate wallet management and cross leverage, which gives you a floating liquidation price, you can beat 125x. So again, let's take a close look of what we witnessed here. More, not just more percentage, but more money in pocket, okay, with slightly higher leverage. Here they come to buy a dip, just as we had expected. Let's look if it's showing it on the 3-minute. It's just popping its head. We would have shorted the local bottom. War rages on. The game begins. Gamified trading like you've never seen before. Making trading fun again. In and out, high velocity, high leverage trading. The new paradigm shift. War on the 1-minute chart. Price is climbing. I will wait before I enter another short. The money is made waiting. Look, 541. We were here, 513, when I closed my shorts. We are now at 525. Here it shows a slightly different price. That's normal. I'm going to wait. The next round of pumps at 6 p.m. New York City time. The next new pump wave could come around the 8 p.m. candle. 8 p.m. New York City time. The next 6-hour candle could reveal a slight pump, but looks like our pumping is extinguishing itself. Look at that weakness on the 6-hour. Let's track the 1 hour. Red. 2 red candles. We shall see and watch what happens. But right now, after a 45% win, I'm really not down with shorting down here. Let them keep buying the dip. This is the ambush. Hiding and waiting. Watching the price climb. I have the direction in mind. I just shown you what I want to do. Gravity is greater than hope. That's going to a 38 now. Look, you can see the price climbing. 43. That would have been a terrible short. Waiting for the ambush. As we storm the seas and the air, control the ground, and you're wondering what's happening, you're hodling and dollar cost averaging, we are coming in at the velocity of war. Gamified trading. Click show more below this video. See the links to get involved with my elite group. What we do is like nothing ever witnessed in trading before. Welcome to the new paradigm. Leverage trading. Cross leverage on BingX. High velocity gamified trading. Look at that number climbing. Waiting to assault the enemy. Subscribe. Learn. Live. Get rich in crypto. Have a great day.